Well, one big part is open source software that makes it so that when improvements are made to the software, it doesn't just kind of get stuck in one company's products, but it can kind of be broadly deployed to a lot of different systems, whether it's banks or hospitals or government stuff. And like just everyone can kind of like, as the software gets hardened, which happens because more people can see it and more people can bang on it, and there are standards on how this stuff works. Um, the world can kind of get upgraded together pretty quickly. And I kind of think that a world where AI is very widely deployed in a way where it's gotten hardened progressively over time, and is one where all the different systems will be in check
Yeah.
in a way that seems like it is fundamentally more healthy to me than one where this is more concentrated. So and there are risks on all sides, but I think that that's one risk that I think I don't hear them talking about quite as much. I think like there's sort of the risk of like, okay, well, what if the AI system does something bad? I am more like, I stay up at night more worrying, well, what if like some actor that whatever, it's like from wherever you sit, there's going to be some actor who you don't trust. If they're the ones who have like the super strong AI, whether it's some like other government that is sort of like an opponent of our country, or some company that you don't trust, or whatever it is, like I think that that's potentially a much bigger risk.
As in, they could like overthrow our government because they have a weapon
Or
that like
just
nobody else has.
cause a lot of mayhem, right? I think it's like I mean, I think the intuition is that this stuff ends up being pretty kind of important and valuable for both kind of economic and kind of security and other things. And I don't know. I just think, yeah, if someone who you don't trust or is an adversary of you gets something that is more powerful, then I think that could be an issue. And I think probably the best way to mitigate that is to have good open source AI that basically becomes the standard, and in a lot of ways kind of can become the leader. And in that way, it just ensures that it's a much more kind of even and balanced playing field.